How to make a theme in Opera GX. So let's get started.
Alright, so now to create a theme is that you would need to create a mod because it's basically a very similar term here in Opera GX. So in here, so if you'd like to create your own, you'd need to go here into the mods. So you'd need to click here on the mods icon on the sidebar. If you don't have this sidebar, click here on easy setup and make sure that you enable show sidebar. Once you're here in the mods, is that basically click here on create. And then you will be prompted here into the GitHub where you need to download this zip right here. So click on code, download zip. Next is that you should have this file right here. And basically this is how it would look like. So it is in zip, so you would have to extract that first. And I have an already extracted file here. So you want to open that right here. And then you want to go into documentation right here and then click on or right click on mod template and then just copy that. Once it's copied, you want to go back, go into mods, and from here, just paste the mod template in here. And then as you can see, I already have mine pasted in here, which is right here. So now you can open this mod template, and from here, you would now be able to edit the sound, the wallpaper, web modding, the keyboard, music shader, and even the code file right here, the JSON file. So this is where you could edit your theme in coding. And then you have the icon, the license, and so on. So this is where you would be able to edit everything that you would want to edit in your theme or in your mod. Once you're done is basically you just want to go back in here into this folder. Now you want to go into Opera GX and now just simply click here on extensions on the top right, click on manage extensions, turn on developer mode, and then click here on load and packed. From here, you just basically want to locate your mod template that you have just edited. So in my case, it's right here. So I'm just going to just select that and click on select folder. And then it will now be loaded in here. But in my case, I have already done it, which is this one right here. So yeah, this is how it should appear. And the mod that you have just unpacked or loaded in here in Opera GX should now load automatically. But if not, then you should see it right here, and all you have to do is to enable that. So yeah, that's it on how you can make a theme in Opera GX. Thank you for watching.